Welcome to TradeHappy, a community of traders learning how to be profitable and happy. Before we get into the market analysis today, we're just going to be having a look at the trades that we had a look at last week. There was 4 trades: Euro AUD, GBP JPY, GBP USD, and USD JPY. The first one is Euro AUD, as you can see here. Got out of this trade at a profit. Really nice trade. We could have got out right here. It was only a few pips away from our take profit, but stayed in it and yep, hit the take profit, so that was really good. Yeah, really nice trade, and that was one that was last week. The next one was GBP JPY, still in this one. As you can see, here's the analysis. Nearly got taken out of this 3 times, but didn't, and it's rising higher, so I'd probably move stop losses to break even if you haven't done already. And yeah, so that GBP JPY is looking like a good trade, and we're just waiting for it to push up to these highs right here and take us out. The next one is GBP USD, again kind of a similar trade really. Nearly got taken out but didn't, and we're pushing up back up to the highs that we were previously before getting into the trade. So again, I'd probably move my stop loss to break even and just let that one run, see what happens. Maybe even take off half your position now, because you're at these highs here where we've come previously. So take off half your profits, move stop loss to break even, and just let that one run again. And USD JPY, so on this one, didn't really hit here, but again, move stop loss following these up here, and would have got taken out around here. Yeah, really nice trade on there as well. So can check that one off. So there's only 2 trades that we're holding into next week, which is GBP USD and GBP JPY. So let's head over to CTrader and we'll get into the upcoming week's analysis. So here we are on CTrader, starting off on Euro USD, and at the moment we're in a little bit of a consolidation phase around here. So I wouldn't really be looking at anything until we get a breakout of this. But we are around this area here. So depending on what happens, if we break higher, preferably I'll probably be looking for shorts. So preferably a breakdown of these lows here, and then trying to get back into a retracement and taking it lower. GBP USD, I'll probably leave this alone. Maybe looking for longs in this area. Nope. So right here, 70% at these lows here. Let's just put a little horizontal line in and delete this. So yeah, longs around here. Let's just make that a round number. So lows here or the 1400 area. Depending on what you want to do, you can take a trade at either of those, but depending on what price does around here, could be looking for a long to take out these highs here, just like has happened here and previously here. So that could be a good trade on GBP USD. But again, we're already in a trade on GBP USD, so might just leave that alone. Again on USD JPY, so we'll leave that. AUD USD, nothing really unless we can get a pullback into this area. So yeah, again, just kind of waiting for price to come down. And yeah, we'll wait and see what happens next week, but if price comes down to this level here, should be looking for longs. USD CHF, we had a really nice trade on here the other day, which was here. So I think we got in here possibly, and we got out down here. So that was a really nice trade. And yeah, we're still in this trade. Second take profits are down here. And then final TP is down here. So we'll see what happens, see if we can get our second take profits knocked out, and then we'll move stop loss to this high. And then we'll see if it can take out the final take profits. USD CAD. Nothing really looking like, there's not really any trending market here. There's a slight downtrend, but nothing too much that I'm really looking at here. So just moving on from USD CAD to GBPUSD. We're around these lows, and we've already come down to those lows once, and it's a really strong bearish candle coming into that area there. So again, not really looking for anything. If we were in this area around here, I would be looking for things for sells, but we're not really in a trending market anymore. We're kind of bottoming out around here. So again, moving on to a next trade. Let's see what's on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour. So it looks like we're in consolidation. So if we can get a break of these lows and then trend a little bit higher, could be looking for a short or even possibly a long in these areas to take out these highs, depending on what you want to do. But considering that we've already had some nice moves higher, I'll probably be waiting for a pullback and getting into a short. AUD NZD is kind of similar. Euro GBP. So if we can get a move up here, let's see if there's a swing high in here. There's one. And at the 70 mark. So if we can come up to this level here, I'll be getting into a short position, and then hopefully riding it out to take out these lows here. Euro AUD. Now this could be a really nice trade for next week. At that 70 level again. So entry here, stop loss here, and take profits below these lows at the symmetrical move. Trending market down, really nice. So yeah, that's a possible trade for next week. And the last one is NZD USD. So overall downtrend, but we've had some really nice moves higher. So I'd probably be looking for longs. We can come down into this area here. At that 70 mark. Buy in here, stop loss here, and above the highs again, symmetrical move up. So there are all the trades next week that I'll be looking at. There's not many, but there are a few that could be nice trades. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next week.